Okay, so here I have three examples of finding standard normal probabilities. For the first example, I have the probability of z being less than 1.25. So let's draw this on the plots. We have 1.25. Here's about 1.25. Draw it a little longer. So 1. So draw the line, and we're looking for the area to the left. So we shade to the left. And to find this probability, we're going to use the normal distribution tables that's in your textbook. So we look for 1.25, so we look down here, 1.25, and the last digit we get from above, so 5, 0.8944. So let's do that. I'm going to just type it faster. We get 0.8944, and that's our answer for that one. Now, for the second example, let's look at this one before this. We're looking at the probability of z being greater than negative 2.53. So let's draw that again on the graph. It's about right here. Negative 2.53. And we're going to shade to the right because we're interested in the right area to the right. Okay, so now we're going to look at the distribution table, again, the normal distribution table to get this, but the negative z-scores. So we have negative 2.53. So we go down here, we get negative 2.53, and up here is 3. 0.0057. So we have, but it's important to note that this is to the left. This table provides to the left, but we're interested in looking to the right. So we know that the probability sums up to 1, so what we can just do is, we know this, so we have 1 minus, and we said we had 0.0057 from the table. So this equals 0.993. And that's it. So the major thing you need to worry about is if we're shading to the right, we have to subtract by 1 because the table provides the area to the left, the cumulative to the left, cumulative area to the left. Okay, for the last example, we this is a little bit trickier, but we're looking for z is between negative 1.33 and 2.03. So let's put these on the plots before we do anything. Negative 1.33 and 2. About right there. Not the prettiest. So let's shade between. Okay, so for this example, we are going to first find the area to the left of 2.3, and I forgot to actually put 2.3. Sorry about that. So, like I said again, we are first going to find the area to the left of 2.03. So what we can do is put equals probability of z being less than 2.03. But we also have to keep in mind we have to then subtract what's to the left of negative 1.33. So we're just going to minus p probability of z is less than negative 1.33. So we can get these two numbers from the table. So we're first going to look at 2.03, probability of z being less than 2.03. So we go to the positives, 2.03, 0.9783. So we can put that on the, let's write that down, 0.9783. And then we're going to subtract the probability of z being less than negative 1.33. So going back to the table. Okay, so find negative 1.33, and it's 0.0934. So it's 0.0934. So subtracting both them, we get 0.8849. And that is our answer. So those are 3 examples of finding standard normal probabilities.